Contestant number 6. Contestant number 6, ladies and gentlemen, is Gracelyn Kelly Nanaimo Fotoaika, Miss Tonga, Hawaii. And she'll be sharing this morning on the topic of disaster preparedness. Ko Miss Tonga Hawaii Fokieni, tene whai ai lawe whekau aki pia moe mateu teu kuia ke ngahi whakatamaki whakai nā tula.
Tapu moe awhio ai tae hā mai I ho tau lotolotonga. Whakatapu atu ke la a hopo hono no oi o tutonga, tamako tupo ono. Tapu ke mahina whekite, kuina naspau, pia pehe ke fuifulu pe o loto palasi. Whakatapu atu ke whakalanglangi, oi aho kai pehe ke kau whakamau. O atu ha whakatapu ma ke he maa ngai whiwhine hoi hoi fua, my 11 pageantry sisters vying for Miss Heilala. Kai pehe ki Miss Lolotonga. Pea me ngai whakawhi ko toa pē ko tau kaunga kau whakataha I he ahoni. Ko hoki ngoa ko Gracelyn Kelly Nanaimo Fotuaika. Pea ko whiewhia ke o whakafofonga I atu ai Miss Tonga Hawaii o wanoa ua wha. I am honored to discuss a topic close to my heart. Ko e kawinga o ku pehe, toka teo ki ngai whakatamaki e hoko, pe moha whaunga e malawa ke whakaakea ke lelei ai. Pe I he lea whakapapalangi, disasters preparedness and resilience. Disasters preparedness and resilience. Tongatapu, home to Nuku'alofa, Tonga's capital, is a beautiful island with rich cultural heritage. However, its location in the Pacific makes it vulnerable to natural disasters, such as cyclones, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions. The devastating Hunga Tonga and Hunga Ha'apai eruption in January 2022 highlighted the urgency of effective disaster management. In 2021, the World Risk Report stated that Tonga ranked 3rd out of 181 countries for natural hazards and sea level rise. Understanding disaster preparedness and resilience. Disaster preparedness involves planning, organizing, and implementing measures to effectively respond to emergencies. Resilience refers to the ability of individuals, communities, and systems to withstand and recover from disasters. Together, they form the backbone of our ability to cope and adapt to the challenges posed by natural hazards. The disaster preparedness in Tongatapu consists of 3 key areas. First, community awareness and education. Education program where local schools and community centers plays a critical role in educating residents and disaster risk and safety measures. Teaching children and adults about evacuation plans, emergency kits, and first aid is important. Public awareness campaigns include workshops and information drives to ensure that people understand the warning signals for different types of disasters and know how to respond. Second, infrastructure and planning, building standards. Strengthening building codes to ensure that homes and public buildings can withstand extreme weather conditions that is crucial. Cyclone resistance designs and flood proofing and examples of such measures. Evacuation routes and shelters. Clearly marked and accessible evacuation routes, along with well-maintained shelters, provide safe havens during disasters. These facilities need to be equipped with supplies and communication tools. Third, early warning systems, technology integrations, utilizing satellite data, weather forecasting, and seismic monitoring systems allow for timely warnings and alerts. Community sirens and mobile notifications ensure that everyone receives critical information quickly. Moreover, 3 solutions that could help build resilience in Tongatapu. First, community engagement and leadership, local leaders involving leaders and traditional authorities in disaster planning to ensure culturally appropriate and accepted strategies. Second, sustainable practices, environmental management, protecting mangroves, coral reefs, and coastal vegetation reduces the impact of storms and sea level rise. These natural barriers act as the first line of defense. Recovery and rehabilitation, support systems, providing psychological support and counseling for affected individuals aids in emotional recovery. Access to financial assistance and resources for rebuilding helps communities bounce back faster. Economic diversification, encouraging diverse economic activities reduces dependence on any single sector, enhancing overall stability in the face of disasters. In conclusion, disaster preparedness and resilience in Tongatapu are not just about responding to crisis, but building a culture of safety, adaptability, and community solidarity. By integrating education, infrastructure, technology, and traditional knowledge, we can create a robust framework to protect our island and its people. Let us work together, hand in hand, to ensure a safer and more resilient future for Tonga. Malo apito tu'a o fatu.
Thank you, together for Miss Tonga Hawaii, sharing on the topic of disaster preparedness and resilience. We'll pass it now to our judging panel for questions.
Thank you, Ms. Tonga Hawaii. I want to ask if you would comment on how to improve disaster preparedness here in Tonga to the community and all the people of Tonga.
Thank you for the questions. Ko taha ngai whaunga ke tau mateu teu ai ki he peko toka teu ki mua pe hoko maha ngai whakatu tā maki. I mau siasi ua mea kui koe welfare pe koe hoa fitua. O ku mau hanga mau pe o teu I ai whanki kato koe ni pe koe whanki welfare koe ni o tuku mau pe I api kaha mea e hoko hange koe ni koe whakatamaki whakainatula. O ki whake tau ilo toto taimi e tō mai ai o ku toki ai pea o announce mai hahoa tahaua ki mua. Ko o mea lelei ke te hanga mau pe o ai mau pe prepare this welfare and 72 hours stuff uinga ke tango to pe hoko mai whakatamaki o ta o smau pe. To taha mea ko pehe ko whaunga e taha e lawai ke te prepare ko whaka-ekonomika. To taimini o tau mo ui lelei ke tau ngawe katoa tāna kaki paanga ko taim ko ku taramai ai o koe ni e tō maha ha wha a pongpongi. O ko sei ho se niti ke auki whare koloa. Whakatau maha ngahi mea ke tuki ak ho whale ke oai hao e a wha o puhi. Whakatau me moha mea kai. Whakatau ha te e lango ko ha flashlight, torch. Whaki mea whakamaka o kai ke whakauhila. Uinga ke ngau akia he taim ko tonga tō mai ai koe ai whakatamak whakainatula. Maloa pito.
Tonga Hawaii, malo apita presentation fa fofa ko ke fa hako mai. Mo tari ko to tokanga awia ki he malu ko a evacuation center. He ko evacuation center e ngai kolo ko tape o fa kau ka to ke ai atangata mo fa fine, mo fa anau au ke ka disability. Ko ha o tokoni ke malu anofo a kainga ko nof aknatol na nof evacuation center mi hano faka mamahi pe ko hano pa osi ko ha mete ke fai ke faka papau I okumalu patau te fito ki ka kai fefine pe mo disability na tol ke hana ngai fai ngataia malo.
Thank you for the question. Ko ki whakakau pe koe ki ai maybe o ku sai ke tainimi ke taunga e ke langa ha loki makehe a kakai tangata, me kakai whewhine, kai pehe ke kau disability. O eke nau no whakataha, tau ke tangata, pau pe ke ai ngahi mea pehe ia e hoko. Ai ko ki whakakau atu pe, ke ai po langa, lok makehe pe ai tangata, lok makehe pe ai whewhine, lok makehe pe disability, ko taimia te nau hangai, like you know, it's a way where they wouldn't be in the same place because okay ke tau ilo te tolu puku hame e ho, ko hange ko ho lau ke whakaehi me hono pau sii pe koe abuse. Ko ki whakakau pe ia malo. Mahalo.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. On the stage we have Graceland Kelly Nanaimo Fotoika, Miss Tonga Hawaii.